Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Helps prevent RV jacks from sinking into the ground. Not intended for use with hydraulic jacks. Interlocking design and handy storage strap for easy storage. Made of heavy-duty, UV-stabilized polypropylene. Includes a built-in handle for ease of use. Features 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches of usable pad. Set of 4. Made in the USA. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Place in front or behind tires for traction. Designed to hold in place. Won't fly out. Works in snow, mud, and sand. 2 traction tools included in each package. Easily stores in trunk. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Never get stuck again in snow, ice, sand, or mud. Mats prevent your vehicle's tires from spinning. Brake-resistant plastic resists cold down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Large 5 by 23 inch size is perfect for all passenger vehicles. Rust-resistant brass pin. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Place in front or behind tires for traction. Designed to hold in place. Won't fly out. Works in snow, mud, and sand. 2 traction tools included in each package. Easily stores in trunk. See more product details.